All right, guys, so we are in the Atana Meadows campground, or not campground, a snow park, Atana Meadows Snow Park, and the first one up here today. I'm gonna go riding with Jake Akland today. So for those that don't know me, I recently, we purchased a new sled. This is actually Melissa's sled. I'm still waiting on my free ride. It'll be here soon, I know it. But I've been borrowing sleds from friends, family for like the past 5 years or so. Maybe going up like 5 times a year. And a lot of trail rides, a little bit of off trail, but not a lot of technical stuff. So today, Jake is taking it upon himself. He's gonna help teach me some, just some techniques and stuff. I've been watching a lot of videos, a lot of other YouTubers and stuff like that. Muskoka Freerider is awesome if you guys want to check him out. And then of course all of the series like by Chris Brandt and Brett Rasmussen and all those guys. But yeah, so we're going up today. We're gonna see if we can get into some a little bit more technical stuff or just practice like mundane exercises. To help me get where I would like to be as a rider.
That was pretty good there. He got stuck right in the middle of the first try. He's like, I got to get redemption.
This guy's biggest problem is he needs to learn how to hold it full throttle.
So, Jake, what's the verdict? Am I a lost cause?
Only slightly.
Only slightly.
Slightly.
Look at the wrap on that thing. I like that. You just put that on before our last trip. You know, it's only fitting that you show up late this time since I was like, what, 45 minutes late last time?